Hello students, myself Pallavi Jaiswal. Today in this video, we will discuss the topic memory interfacing of 8085. First of all, we must know something about 8085 features. As we know that 8085 consists of 40 pin, second, it is having 8 bit of data and 16 bit of address. It is having 64 kilobyte of memory. What do you mean by 8-bit data? It can process 8 bit of data at a time. As we know that it is having 64 kilobyte of memory. So we must know how this particular memory is work for the memory interfacing. As we know that if we called it as memory, so it must be from 0000 to FFFF. Single memory location consists of 8 bit. This particular one memory unit, this is one memory unit. It consists of 8 cells which is of 8 bit. 8 cells which is of 8 bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is of 8 shell. That means this particular one memory location consists of 8 bit. That particular 8 bit consists of 8 shells. Each shells made up of one flip-flop. One flip-flop. How this 64 kilobyte of memory is to be set for the 8085 interfacing. How size of memory locations are divided. Now we will discuss how size of memory location are divided. As we know that it consists of 16 bit of address. As we know that it consists of 16 bit of address. So how this address is to be used to address the memory location. For specifying the one address line, as we know that one memory location must be of 8 bit only. Obviously, one address line is of 16 bit. That means how many memory location it required? 2 memory location. 2 memory location, which is 2 raised to the power 1. This is a indication, or for the calculation purpose we can use 2 raised to the power 1. That is 1 is used 2 raised to the power 1. 1 is for the address line and 2 because the multiple of one address line required 2 place to be occurred. Now second 2 address line, that means 4 memory location, that means 2 raised to the power 2. Now if we directly come on to the 8 address line, that means 2 raised to the power 8, which is 256. Next 9 address line, that means 2 raised to the power 9, which is of 512. 10 address line, 10 address line, that means 2 raised to the power 10, that means 1024, which is called it as 1 kilobyte. 1 kilobyte. Generally, while interfacing, this particular word is to be used. 11th address line, that means 2 raised to the power 11, that means 2048, which is of 2 kilobyte. Here also a technique to understood or to remind of this 1 kilobyte, 2 kilobyte, which is 2 raised to the power 0. 2 raised to the power 0 is nothing but a 1. 2 raised to the power k, that means 2 raised to the power 1. We must remind of all this. 12 address line, that means 2 raised to the power 12. 2 raised to the power 12, which is, if we talk it about 2 raised to the power 2, that means 4 kilobyte. 4 kilobyte. Now, as we know that there is a 16 address line, then 16 address line, that means 2 raised to the power 16, which is of 64 kilobyte. That's why we called it as 64 kilobyte of memory used in 8085. Now we understood how the memory unit in 16-bit address assign in 64 kilobyte of memory unit. First we discuss. Now we will discuss memory mapping. When we use memory unit in 64 kilobyte memory unit is known as memory mapping. For example, 1k into 8. This is one of the memory which need to be interfaced with 8085. Here 1k denote the number of location, and this particular 8 is denoted the 8-bit of data. 8-bit of data. That means, as we know, there has been a memory from 0000 to FFF, and by this 1k into 8, as we know that 1k that means 1024, that means it must be from somewhere when it started from 8000 to 83FF. This is the range when we fit it into the address line. So it may be surrounding from 8000 to 8355. (0000) 1023. somewhere this location, this 1 kilobyte of memory, somewhere locate in this 64 kilobyte of 8085 memory location.